And I would like to thank the faculty of Rathod IAS for designing the prelims mock test course. Especially the full length mock test is what helped me greatly. And I would like to
Hello and welcome to Rathods IAS Academy. So we are continuing this series of analysis of this year prelims, that is UPSC CSC Prelims 2024. So I already released two videos. So please watch those videos to get analysis of geography and environment related questions. And now in this video, I am going to analyze questions from 21st to 30. And almost these 20 questions are based on your environment and ecology. Okay, so let's get started. So first question, that is 21st question is organisms, cincada, frog grapher and pond skater they are. Options given of birds, fish, insects and reptiles. So if you see here this name frog grapher, so you might have heard about this grasshopper. So grasshopper is insect. So actually see this cicada is also insect. So actually one important interesting thing I can share here is, so we conducted mentorship sessions directly with toppers. So Lavanya ma'am, she took sessions for the students. So in that sessions, when she explained about how you have to analyze the papers and how you have to identify the correct answers. So in that explanation part, she gave example of this cicada insect. So this insect used to do lots and lots of sounds. So this is that cicada insect. So if you have joined Lavanya ma'am's prelims analysis sessions on Zoom meeting, so you might have do this answer correct. So cicada, frog grapper and pond skater, they belongs to insects. Okay. So if you have missed that session, you might have missed this question, right? So that is the Rathods IAS Academy is one of the initiative, that is direct mentorship with toppers. And next one is consider the following statements. So first statement is many chewing gums found in the market are considered as source of environment pollution. Yes, we are considering this chewing gum is one of the source of environment pollution. So what's wrong in that? It is a general statement, right? And second statement is many chewing gums contain plastic as gum base. Yes, this is the thing why it is environmentally polluted. They are having the gum base, and this gum base, it is made up of polyvinyl acetate. Okay, polyvinyl acetate. So because of this presence of polyvinyl acetate, is it is causing environmental pollution. So here these two statements are absolutely correct, and the second statement is in fact explanation of this first statement. So correct option is both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct, and statement 2 explains the statement 1. So option is A. It is very simple, and without basic knowledge also you can do this. And next question is 23, and this is very difficult, and I suggest the people to leave this type of questions if you don't have the knowledge. So here they gave the table format, and one side countries and next one is animal found in natural habitat. So many of you might not have heard about these animals also, like indri, ilk, bonobo. So it is simply very difficult question. According to me, you can leave this. So actually this Indri and Bonobo, they are monkey species. So actually Indri is seen in Madagascar, not in Brazil. So it is first one is incorrect. And elk is nothing but this belonging to the deer species, but it will be like very huge. Okay. And it is not in Indonesia at all. Okay, it is seen in America. And next one is bonobo. Bonobo is not in Madagascar. It is in normally present in Congo Basin. In that region, it will be present, but it is not at all seen in this Madagascar for sure. So all these three pairs are incorrect. So correct answer here is D, none. Okay, D, none. Okay, because bonobo is seen in Congo Basin, elk is seen in America, and Indri is seen in Madagascar. Clear? So this is very difficult question according to me, because we don't focus much on these animal names. So if you want to see all these animal names, like it will be thousands of species are present, so it is beyond our memory, right? So if you are getting that type of questions, simply leave that questions if you don't have any idea. And next question is consider the following statements regarding World Toilet Organization. So no one expect that question will comes under this. So it is also one of the unexpected question from environment. So first statement is it is one of the agencies of United Nations, but it is NGO. This is incorrect. So you can eliminate the options to having 1 and 2. Okay, 1 here. And next statement is World Toilet Summit, World Toilet Day, and World Toilet College. They are the initiatives of this organization. So they are something related to toilet. Yes, actually these are the initiatives they came up. Okay, since they formed. Okay, like World Toilet Summit, World Toilet Day, World Toilet College. So the second statement is obviously correct. So there are two options which we are left with. So you have to see whether this third is correct or not. So the third statement says that main focus of this function is to grant funds to the least developed countries and developing countries to achieve the end of open defecation. So actually this World Toilet Organization is focusing on toilets and as well as sanitation. So they are not much focusing on open defecation. Okay, and even this is itself an NGO which will be collecting funds. How they can grant funds to this developing and developed countries? So you can see that there is no sense, right? So you can eliminate this third statement. So if you eliminate in this third statement, which is the correct answer? A, 2 only. 2 only is the right answer for this 24th question. Clear, guys? And let us see this 25th question. Consider the following statements. It is regarding lions, cheetahs, big cats, leopards. So why it is in news? Because of IPSA, International Big Cat Alliance. I already gave this topic in important topics list also for the students. So if you have focus on that IPSA, then you will be doing this question correctly. And if you see here, the first statement is lions do not have a particular breeding season. Yes, throughout year they will be breeding. So this statement is absolutely correct. And next one is unlike most other big cats, cheetahs do not roar. Yes, cheetah says meow, but not they will be roaring like other big cats. Yes, this statement is absolutely right, and it is one of the special unique feature of cheetahs. And next one is unlike male lions, male leopards do not proclaim their territory by scent markings. So actually these animals they will be marking scents by using urine, feces, etc. Yes, here male lions they will be proclaiming their territory by this scent. Why not these leopards? Leopards will be also proclaiming their territory by the scent markings. So this statement is incorrect. So if you remove this 3 or eliminating this 3, then you can see the right answer is 1 and 2 only, because these big animals or big cats, they are famous for proclaiming of their territory. Any animal you can take, okay? So here correct answer is A, 1 and 2 only. And let us see next question, that is 26th question. So which one of the following is correct description of 100 million farmers? So here you can see these options are very lengthy. So one tip I want to give here is, even I shared this tip when we discussed like how to answer the questions, like how we have to analyze the previous questions. So whenever you're getting this type of questions, like what it means, so answer will be generally A. That is the same thing that is followed in this case also. So that thing I already gave in other sessions where I took about how you have to clear this prelims. So actually this 100 million farmers, it is a platform. It is focusing on especially food and water system and how we can achieve carbon neutrality, and as well as how we can increase farmer resilience. So option A is correct answer regarding this 100 million farmers. It is not at all related with any international alliance which is focusing on animal husbandry. It is not at all dealing with this animal husbandry, and even it is not at all talking about any fertilizer, or it is not at all talking about any agriculture consortiums. Clear? It is very simple, and blindly without knowing anything you can keep this answer if you know that trick. And next one is 27th question. Consider the following: battery storage, biomass generator, fuel cells, rooftop solar photovoltaic units. How many of them are considered as distributed energy resources? So first of all, you have to know what is the meaning of this distributed energy resources. So they are nothing but they are small, where we are storing energy or generating energy, right? For example, we are using batteries for storage of energy. Everywhere we will be having batteries, and we are also having biomass generator, they are generating electricity. Yes. Next one is fuel cells, we are using them for energy. And next one is we are having photovoltaic cells or units. They will be trapping energy, so that is sunlight, and they will be converting into energy like solar energy. So all these four are examples of distributed energy resources. So correct answer is D, all four. Clear? I am also giving the relevant explanation. I am just not giving what is the option that is correct here. So next question is very interesting, and if you have seen that tree, then you can easily answer that. So which of the following shows a unique relationship with an insect that has co-evolved with it, and that is the only insect that can pollinate this tree? So option A is fig, next one is maua, and next one is sandalwood, next one is silk cotton. So actually the answer is fig. Why? Because if you are from botany background, you might be coming up with this answer correctly, because in botany in your +1 and +2 you will be studying about this modifications of fruit modifications. So there you will be studying about structure of fruit of this fig. So inside we will be having many flowers. So these flowers will be get pollinated only by the insect which is going inside that so and so fruit. Okay, that is called as fig wasp. So only by this wasp, only the pollination will be happening inside. It is not like other. And even whenever insect which is entering inside will also lays the egg, and there is a development of larvae. Everything will happens inside that fruit. So that wasp is responsible for the pollination inside this so and so flower of this fig. So correct answer is fig. So one example here is anjeer fruit. It is also belonging to this fig family. Okay. And next question is consider the following. So here we have three: butterflies, fish, frogs. How many of the above have poisonous species among them? So all these three, they have some species which are poisonous. For example, in butterflies, we have monarch butterfly. So in this monarch butterfly, at this larval stage, so it is having some poisonous toxin that will be released. And if you see fish, you might have heard like if some fishes are biting, so that will cause harm. So puffer fish is also one example for that. It is releasing some toxins that is especially acting on your neurons. That is called as neurotoxin. And next one is frogs. So we have poison draft frog will be there. Poison draft frog. So that will be releasing some toxins on its skin. So whenever you come in contact with that frog, it will be having some allergic reactions on the skin. So in this way, all these three. So without knowledge also, we can say like all these three. Okay, having some poisonous species. And next question, or the last question of this video is consider the following. So we have three plant species which are given here. First one is cashew, next one is papaya, next one is red sanders. How many of the above are actually native to India? So if you have followed current affairs, you know, and even after watching some movies like Pushpa movie in Telugu, or it also had been released in many languages, it says that red sanders is native to India. This is for sure. And if you see cashew, so cashew is grown in India, I can accept, but it is not native to India. That is, native means it will be grown only in India. If you go to any supermarkets, you can see these cashews are from different areas. Actually, this cashew, it is from Brazil. And we have papaya. Papaya will be grown in India, and even if you go to any fruit market, we will be getting papaya. But papaya, it is not only present in India, but even other countries, especially America is a native place of this papaya. I can say exactly that is Mexico and Central America. So these are the areas which are America. So Central America and Mexico are the areas which are native to this papaya. So now you have to identify which is the plant species only native to India. That is red sanders. So option is only one. Okay, clear? So these are the answers and keys of this 21 to 30 questions, and all these questions are from environment and ecology. And as I said, one of the important feature of Rathods IAS Academy is if you join online or offline foundation, you will be having direct mentorship with toppers. Okay, so in that mentorship with toppers only, so they discussed about this cicada insect. So if you want to clear this UPSC and if you want to choose a right institute, Rathods IAS Academy is the right institute with very unique features. Like we have focus on current affairs and also NCRT series, and we are providing online and offline foundation course, and we will be having mentorship with faculty and even one-to-one mentorship with toppers, and there will be daily prelims test and as well as mains answer writing practice. So these features that you can't find in any other institute. So if you want to join online or offline foundation course, or if you want to have NCRT foundation course or current affairs course or mains answer writing course, you can contact us on this number 8074765513, and this is also WhatsApp number. So there you can share your ideas and your doubts, your queries that will be addressed on WhatsApp also. And if you want to talk to me directly, you can call me on this number. And that's all. If you like this class, hit the like button and please do share this class to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Rathods IAS Academy. Thank you so much for watching.